In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an overpayment in Xero. Managing your finances effectively in Xero is crucial for maintaining accuracy in your accounting records. So, if you've encountered an overpayment that needs to be removed or adjusted, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can confidently handle any overpayments in your Xero account. To start this process, begin by navigating to the top bar in your Xero dashboard where you'll find the Accounting menu. This is your main access point to various financial settings within Xero. Click on Accounting and then, from the drop-down menu, select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is a critical area where you can see all your accounts laid out and is key to managing and reviewing your financial transactions. Once you're in your Chart of Accounts, look for the specific account associated with the overpayment. In the Year-to-Date, or YTD, column next to this account, you'll see a detailed amount listed. Click on this amount. By doing so, you're accessing a comprehensive list of all the transactions that have been carried out in that particular account. This is where you'll identify the specific overpayment transaction you wish to address. Now that you have the list of transactions, locate the overpayment account entry you intend to delete. It's important to ensure that you've selected the correct entry to avoid any accidental deletions which could impact your financial records. After you've clicked on the particular overpayment account, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an Options button. Click on Options and then select Remove and Redo. This option will completely remove the overpayment from your records, allowing you to correct or handle it as needed. Alternatively, if you don't want to delete the overpayment entirely but simply want to adjust or make changes, you have the flexibility to do so by choosing the Edit option. This way, you can tweak the details without removing the entire transaction, which can be useful if you just need to modify certain aspects of the entry. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully learned how to delete or adjust an overpayment in Xero. Whether you're maintaining your own business accounts or helping a client, understanding this process will help keep your accounting records precise and free of errors. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide has been helpful for managing your overpayments within Xero. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore more resources or consult with an accounting professional for additional guidance. Until next time, happy accounting